Hi, I'm Lisa from Approveit, and now I want to explain how you can set a substitute for yourself while you are on vacation. So imagine it's the happiest moment in your life. You're finally on vacation, so holidays are coming and you are off work. So the only thing that you need to do, you need to go to your settings right here, you need to go to your profile right here, and then you need to select who is your substitute, basically who will be substituting you and who will be reviewing requests and approving or rejecting requests while you're away. So I have chosen Kate to be my substitute and I have activated our on vacation mode. Now Kate will be reviewing my request and she will be approving or rejecting the request on my behalf. When I return to work, when my holidays are over, then I should deactivate this mode, like this. So this mode is now deactivated and it means that I will be reviewing, approving or rejecting my approval requests. If you have questions or need help, please don't hesitate to contact us anytime. Thank you.